Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautiful Natural Makeup. So today you guys, I just do a DIY shea butter pro skincare for my skin, and I am so sorry I didn't get to show you um how I do everything, but I'm gonna show you how it turned out, and I'm gonna tell you what I put in it. So I put it into this here jar here that I have. I usually sometimes like to don't throw away these, just wash them out and reuse them. So I put it in here, and this is my shea butter for my skin, you guys, that I will be using for my skin. I always try to mix these and put them away to help moisturize my skin. Now, as I said, in the winter my skin get really dry, and because my skin gets so dry, I always try to moisturize my skin. So I put like some shea butter in it. I also put the aloe vera leaf, which I blend, and I put some avocado oil and some coconut oil and some olive oil in it. And then I also put a little bit of turmeric in this product. So this is how it turned out, you guys. For my skin, the bottle is filled, and I have to put some into another container. So let's show you how it look. And the back of my hand here is very moisturizing. It feel really nice. It's hydrating, and it's really like a fluffy cream that you use. Now, one of the reasons why sometimes I try to do this, and I make some time, and I like to share with family member, because in the winters my skin get really dry. I already told you that, but it's easy for me to do this once I have the things in my home that I need to do it, like the olive oil and the avocado oil, which is avocado oil is not cheap, it's very expensive. So I am going to scrape what in the cover of this cream, and I'm going to put some into my jar here that I use for my face cream, which is finished. So I like to do this because when I do it, I like, it make things a bit easier for me and a bit cheaper for me. So that's why I try to do this um, at home. With we locking down over here, it's very hard to go out and do stuff. So I am going to put some. You can see how fluffy this is. You can see how it is. So I really blend it out really nicely with my hand mixer that I have, that I use to do my DIY treatment for my hair and my skin. So this is how it look in the jar here. And you guys, trust me, when I say this is moisturizing, it is so moisturizing for the skin. Very moisturizing, very hydrating for the skin. You can use this all over your body. When you take a shower, you can use it all over your body. You can even use it on your face if you want to. You can use it on your entire body and also with your face. So I like to do stuff like this at home. When you're at home now with COVID-19, you can get to do a lot of things. So I like to do things like this at home, where it's easy for me to do. And not just that, it keep me occupied, like my mind occupied about things. So I put some away in this jar here, because this other one that I had is full. And I put some away in this jar here. And this is, it can smell that really nice shea butter scent in this product. It's very really smell really nice. The turmeric also help to brighten your skin. A lot of people use turmeric. You can use it on your in your mixture. You can use it on your face with a DIY. You can use it cook and all those things. So I just want to show you guys what I do sometime when I'm at home with the DIY. I will show you how I get my cream to be so fluffy and so nice. The next time I'm making it, I can show you what I do at home to get it really this fluffy and this nice. But I don't put a lot of turmeric in it, because turmeric is something that has a color, a yellowish color. When I cook with turmeric, I like curry chicken. I like in curry goat. I also like curry conch. So I use turmeric a lot in my home, and because of the goodness of it, I use it a lot in my home. Um, I also sometimes put it in milk and warm the milk and drink it. It's very, very good for even the COVID-19, the immune system. So thank you so much, you guys, and I hope you do enjoy my video. And don't forget to like and share and do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next upload. God bless you. Have a peaceful day. And happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.